بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم أجمعين. Inshallah, I will provide a chest imaging made easy course, and it is coming soon to my resident in radiology and to a newcomer resident, and also this course will be beneficial for the junior and practicing radiologist. And this course will be concentrated on the plain film, X-ray, chest X-ray, and I will tackle the CT and MRI in brief. And the course, it is consistent of multiple lectures, and each lecture about 10-minute talk, providing in 1 to 2 lectures per week, and this will be uploaded to my Facebook page and to my YouTube channel. Hoping we start soon, and thank you for listening, and best regards, and see you soon inshallah.